This is a fairly simple exercise that you can do to help build up core strength and bring awareness to that area, and also strengthen the shoulders and the upper body. You're on the forearms, and you can interlace your fingers together if that feels better for your shoulders. First, lift out of the shoulder joints. Legs will be a little wider than hips, and then tuck the tail so your glutes will contract. It'll feel like you're thrusting your hips against the floor. You are. Okay, thrust the hips, pull the shoulders back, and then pull the belly up off of the floor. And just hold this, keeping the belly pulling in. That's the key there, is belly pulling in. All the muscles wrapping around the spine, pulling in. Staying light in the shoulders too. You're gonna, in time, probably want to start sinking. Stay lifted, stay pushing up out of the shoulders. Belly in, breath steady. Belly in, glutes contracted. And then release back down and relax.